Hey superstars, happy August. It's Magi Helena. Here's your astrological forecast for August 23 using scientific multidimensional astrology. My syndicated Your Daily Astrology horoscopes have millions of daily readers. Search out my forecasts online. As an astrology pioneer, I've turned complicated astrology into simple tools. If you don't have the time, training, or utilities to run all the calcs yourself, get answers instantly with my instant astrology products. Big news is that the best and worst days in advance for the rest of 2023 and all of 24 are dropping in just a few days. Sign up to my mailing list now so you won't miss out. I'll be offering a radical, biggest ever introductory coupon when these best worst advance calendars drop. See a link under more. So I'm just calling it Awful August. August has the dubious distinction of being the worst scoring month of 2023. Use the best and second best days to get stuff done, and please do nothing important on the worst days. 2023 is just not a great year. 4 months in 2023 had average day scores below 0. If your personal cycles aren't great, poor months can really be a double whammy. Remember that every month's days are relative to what is available inside the month itself and not at all relative to other months. If you want to see exactly how each month compares to other months, you'll be able to see that in the data in the new best worst days advance calendars. Still, always remember, worst days pretty much mean that if it can go wrong, it will. The best day in August has some nice Sun-Jupiter Helena geometry, and there are also sun enhancements from Chiron and Athene. The very worst days, and there are a lot of them in August, are filled with tight heartbreaks, tight nuclear heartbreaks, tight nuclear clashes, and or other types of Saturnian geometries. And as has long been proven, nothing can offset these very worst peaking clashes. The negative will always manifest itself eventually. I want you to understand the logic. If you have these hideous energies buried in a natalization chart, they will eventually progress to exact. And when they do, they can destroy all you've built. When the tornado warnings are out, stay in the basement. Come out when the weather clears. I hope you'll come visit me on MagiHelena.com. Better timing just equals better outcomes. Get understanding for current or past relationships and build out your dreams. Get there now. Text astrology to 51555. Remember that while the stars are very powerful influences, your attitude and your level of self-work also impacts your outcomes. I wish you a positive and upbeat August.